Hey everyone, and welcome back to Ideaplex. Today we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation with a platform called Mootion.com. Now listen up, content creators of all stripes, especially those of you on YouTube like myself, ever had a fantastic idea for a video but dreaded the long hours of filming and editing? Yeah, me too. That's where Mootion comes in. It promises to take your ideas and script them into cool, engaging videos all without you breaking a sweat. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's find out. Alright, so Mootion builds itself as an AI native content creation platform. Basically, it uses artificial intelligence to take your scripts, text prompts, even audio, and bam, spits out a video based on your specifications. Pretty wild, right? Now, I'm a huge advocate for anything that streamlines the content creation process. Create your videos in simple 4 steps. No more timeline, no more track syncing, no more editing tricks. Start from your mind and Mootion creates viral videos under 5 minutes. Mootion generates videos from any types of input type in text, script, or upload video or audio. Videos are ready faceless or talking head, personal sharing or storytelling, all at your command in 4 steps. Trending effects, transitions, realistic voiceovers, dynamic AI music, all elements are there for you to create viral videos. Select your elements and Mootion composes the final content in a minute. No matter what is your input, select your output language and Mootion brings your videos into a dual language world. English, Spanish, Arabic, Portuguese, Chinese, Japanese, and more. Create videos covering different visual styles, photorealistic, 3D cartoon, comics, etc. Animate and brings your video clips to life to convey your ideas and imagination. You are in control of creation beyond the AI black magic. Choose or generate poses and motions which control the image and video generation in 3D space. All characters act following your directives. For creators, this means you can generate content without being a master in animation software. And game developers, virtual reality creators, this tool could save you hours if not days of work. Mootion allows you to upload your own assets like images and audio clips to personalize your videos. This way you can maintain your brand identity and add a unique touch. For more complex scenes, you might find yourself having to adjust things manually. And while the AI generated motion is decent, it's not always spot on when it comes to fine details like facial expressions or precise object interactions. Mootion has several tools for you to process assets in video creation. Removing image background is tiny but critical in many content creation scenarios. Mootion leverages the tech behind image generation to give you a neat and fast experience of image background removal. This tool is perfect for creators like me who need speed and creativity on their side but don't necessarily have the time or skills to sit down and animate from scratch. If you're someone who needs quick results without worrying about the details, this could be a game changer. Remember those little Calimation photos trending on social media? Mootion released the same capability as a style transfer tool under Asset Studio. Upload your image to Mootion and stylize to fit your video or just for fun. It works wonders for adding dynamic movements or even changing the style of your existing footage. Now I know a lot of you out there are content creators, game developers, or maybe even hobbyists looking to get into animation. Mootion is perfect if you're looking for speed, simplicity, and an affordable way to bring your ideas to life without investing in costly software or spending hours learning animation techniques. Now let me sign up. Head over to Mootion.com, try out their free trial and see if it fits your creative needs. Mootion is definitely worth checking out. It cuts down on production time and gives you access to AI generated animations with minimal effort. Just keep in mind that it's a growing platform, so don't expect it to replace high-end animation tools just yet. Alright, enough talk. I dove head first and created a short explainer video using Mootion. Here's the thing, there's a learning curve. You gotta understand how to write prompts that the AI can interpret effectively. But the results were surprisingly good. The interface is user-friendly, and within minutes, I had a decent looking video ready for basic edits. This isn't going to replace professional video editors, but for creators on a budget or those short on time, Mootion is a game changer. It lets you focus on your ideas and get basic videos out there quickly. But it's a powerful tool that can help you streamline your workflow and unleash your inner video creator. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber like myself or just starting out, give Mootion a shot. You might be surprised by what you can achieve. I whipped up a basic explainer video in under an hour, script and all. That's insane compared to my usual workflow. Plus, it was fun experimenting with different styles and seeing how the AI interpreted my ideas. It definitely sparked some creative inspiration. However, if you need super professional, highly customized videos with tons of complex editing, Mootion might not be the complete solution. It's more of a get-it-done platform than a Hollywood blockbuster maker. So the final verdict, Mootion is a fantastic tool for creators who want to streamline their workflow and experiment with new video styles. It's not a magic bullet, but it can definitely be a game changer for busy YouTubers like yours truly. That said, it's not without its limitations. For more complex things, you might find yourself having to adjust things manually. And while the AI-generated Mootion is decent, it's not always spot on when it comes to fine details like facial expressions or precise object interactions. So, if you're looking for pixel level quality right off the bat, you may want to manage your expectations. So does Mootion live up to the hype? For what it promises, quick, easy to use AI animation, or I say it does. It's perfect for anyone looking to create animations fast without diving deep into complex software. However, for those seeking professional level animations, you might want to keep it as a tool for fast prototyping or quick content generation. But don't just take my word for it. Head over to Mootion.com, try out their free trial and see if it fits your creative needs. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Ideaplex for more tech reviews and drop a comment below. What tools would you like us to review next? Until next time, keep creating and I'll see you in the next video.